are the JJW Doodle Noodles.
This is Juliana,
Joel, William, and today we are doing the Try Not to Laugh Water Challenge. Let's go!
Yeah!
Okay, first joke. When I see lovers' names carved in a tree, I don't think it's sweet, I just think it's surprising how many people bring a knife on a date. Oh my god, Will, that's not even that funny. Okay. Did you swallow it?
No.
Oh, it's gonna be so bad. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. My dog used to chase people on a bike a lot. It got so bad, finally I had to take his bike away. Oh my.
You suck. You just keep drinking your water.
I'm gonna make you laugh.
It's with Eddie Murphy. Yeah.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's a bear and a rabbit sitting in a forest. What did you even say?
There's a bear and a rabbit shooting in the forest.
Remember Eddie Murphy?
And then
Got it on my watch. There's three brothers stuck in a forest. A tribe comes to fix them up. The tribe master says you have to find one bit of fruit and shove it up your bum without laughing or looking at me. Okay, get another go. So the first brother came back with a pear, shoved it up his bum and starts laughing, so they killed him. The second brother comes back with a grape, shoves it up his bum, starts laughing. And then there's the two brothers in heaven, and then they're talking. The first brother's just like, oh, why'd you laugh? You had a grape. And the second guy's just like, it wasn't the grape, it was because I saw the third guy come back with a pineapple.
you got me up my
You ruined my favourite bear and cheese.
Love equals dirty person like wiggly his butt. Not mine!
Two blondes fell down a hole. One said, it's dark in here, isn't it? The other replied, I don't know, I can't see.
At least we're nice and wet.
Like 40 degrees! A guy was driving in a car with a blonde. He told her to stick her head out the window and see if the blinker worked. She stuck her head out and said, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was probably the most boringest video in YouTube history. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Doodle Noodles. We hope you enjoyed. See you next time.